portion of today's project will also be fixing a coolant leak. I'll just get down here while we're here. It's easier to do from far away. It's no big deal. No, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
Do you want it in there? Oh, you want it in the shop? Okay. You want to do it down this over now?
Yeah, yeah. So we have a manifold down here that we're going to be removing from the engine that came out of the car originally, and yeah, it's leaking on our current engine. We thought it was supposed to be like that, loose.
Yeah, it's a weird design. I can get in here and I'll show you in another clip, but it's got a steel tube that goes into an aluminum housing, and the steel tube has a flange for like a bolt, but it doesn't go anywhere. So very interesting, very weird, but we're gonna get this one off because this one's better, and then get it on the other one.
And that'll hopefully fix up our coolant leak that we had since we put the engine in, that we haven't gotten to yet. As well as the exhaust, we're going to be working on that as well. And hopefully 2 hands are better than 1. But now we have 4. So, there you go.
Get to it.
Okay.
Yeah, O-rings.
Okay, so we just need to get those O-rings.
And those O-rings.
This is what we were after here. This is the portion that is loose in our current car. Yeah. But you can see how it's got a, it almost looks like a bolt-in point here to hold it into place, but it does not do that. There's not that function. And being our first engine removal and replacement in, the Subaru, we didn't know. So we'll do that in the car once we get the seals. So there's a little bit going on there underneath of it. But again, this is what we're trying to get off here. Or we'll be tearing down the rest of this at a later date. Because of...
We've got something wrong with it. It don't turn.
On our next episode, we're going to go into some more detail on repairing our grinder mount, welding it into place, prepping a resonator for installation, installing that into place into our test pipe, and finding those pesky cuts.
Yeah.
See you on the next one. It'll help find your cuts.